Welcome to the video on how to perform a simple search on the new Fanuc Cobot CRX. So on version P35 of software update, there was a new icon introduced called Simple Search. What that is a 2D touch sense routine that can only be applied to fill it well. So you can see I have a T-joint set up here as a demonstration. So first thing we're going to do to make sure that we can run this simple search is we're going to go to our legacy view and set up touch schedule number 1. So the simple search icon will draw from touch schedule number 1. So you're going to hit the menu key, extend your menu, then you're going to hit the data key, and then you're going to hit touch schedule. So here you're going to go to schedule number 1, and then you're going to hit F2 detail. So in this screen, you just want to make sure that your number 6 pattern type, number 6 search pattern says simple, and number 7 pattern type says 2D shift. If it doesn't, you're going to hit the choice key and choose 2D shift. You can hit the choice key and choose simple. Now you're going to hit the back key next to your program name. That'll take you back to the icon. So from here, you want to make sure that you have your contacted work distance correct. And then you're going to make a program. So what I'm going to do is I'll put my handle teach icon to my program, turn on my freehand teaching, and record my points. So I'm going to make a home point. Then I'm going to make an approach point. So here at this stage is where you're going to make your search point. So you can see with my torch angle here, I'm able to hit the top of my part and the bottom with the same torch angle. So very important is simple search will use the torch angle that you have set for your second search direction. So right here, I'm going to have my search, and then I'm going to go to programming. In the Arc Tool tab, grab the simple search icon, and drag it in front of my handle teach icon. Now I'm going to put my robot in translation so I have the same torch angle. Move it down to my new search position. Then I'm going to add a second simple search here. So after I add my second simple search, I'm going to bring it back to where I want to start, and I'm going to make it a post point to my welds. So I hit my left button once. And now what I'm going to do is hold the button for 3 seconds, get a weld start. You do not have to move the robot. You do not need to record your points. We're going to use position registers. Hold it again to record your weld in. Move it back to the end of your weld to get your retract point. Then move it back up to get your home point. Right? So now you're going to hit complete until you're done manual teaching. So what you want to do is hit your first simple search icon. Mine is going to be number 3. Okay, so here's the speed of the movement of your simple search, and you're going to be using a position register. So we're going to use number 1 for our simple search. Touch frame is going to be world. As you can see here, it chooses frame number 1 for you. So in direction 1, you're going to choose your first search direction. I'm going to be going X minus, which is towards my robot. And direction 2 is where you want to choose your second search direction. And that's the torch angle that your cobot is going to have during the weld. So my second one is going to be minus Z to find the bottom plate. In the detail screen here, I usually have my search speed around 20 millimeters per second. At that speed, I'm verifying that I'm not moving too fast so that when I go to search, that my wire doesn't bend. Okay? The search distance and return speed could be edited, but usually 100 millimeters per second as a default is pretty good. Okay? So now that my first simple search is using position register 1, I want to offset my weld start to that. So what I'm going to do is hit my weld start, go down to linear, change it from position to position register, and make sure it matches up with my simple search. So that's number 1. I'm going to go to weld start, and I'm going to choose my pre-recorded weld schedule here. Then I'm going to go to my second simple search and make sure it's set up the same way. Make sure I'm searching the right directions, make sure my speed is correct. This I'm going to change to position register 2. So now I have to go to my weld in, change that from position to position register 2. And again, you're going to put in your weld schedule and weld speed. Now from here, be able to run your program. You can see it found the joint. You do not have to record your weld start and weld end inside of the joint. Okay. I'm going to move my part back. Run the program again. See, my weld has been adjusted to my new start point. That is how you run a simple search on the Fanuc Cobot CRX.